Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on that Mercedes, guys, and we'll show you a common problem with those things. Okay, if you are not able to start the vehicle but you hear the fuel pump running, we'll show you what the problem is. Let me demonstrate on this one. We'll try to start it quick and show you what's happening. Okay, those are the fuel hoses inside the tank, and they get too old and they crack and break, and when it does happen, okay, you're not going to get fuel pressure. So let's see if that's the case, and we're going to demonstrate exactly what happens. Okay, so the charger is on now. Okay, let's see if we can turn the car and see what happens quick, okay? It will try to start, but it will not. Alright guys, so we removed the rear seat. That's where the fuel tank pumps are located, okay? There is two places where you access those. One of them is the filter here, the sending unit, and one is the actual fuel pump on this side. It's a really complicated process because the fuel pump sends the fuel, okay, to the fuel filter right here and pumps it to the injectors, and the fuel that hasn't been used go back to this side of the fuel tank. Okay, and this is made on purpose that way. Okay, so you can see, okay, those are, let me get the light on. Those are the hoses right here, and this one, it looks like it has been replaced in the past, okay, and they just use a regular hose, something you shouldn't do. You should always use the original parts for that stuff because it's part of the fuel system, it's dangerous. So let's go ahead, turn it on and see what happens now. Okay, so you can see those two hoses right here, okay, the hose right here, and there is one underneath. It's supposed to send fuel back. You'll be able to see it running. It will be really big amount of fuel, and which means we have a problem, okay, on this side right here. So one of the hoses is cracked, or one of the hoses fell off, and what happened, there is no fuel pressure because it's leaking on this side now. So we're going to disconnect, okay, here the wires and the hose, and be careful because this one might be under pressure and spray fuel everywhere. In our case it probably won't, because as you know, it doesn't build any pressure, but always wear eye protection, gas resistant gloves. Okay, it's almost coming out, just a few drops. So, and usually if it performs right, you're going to have quite a bit of pressure here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it now. Alright, this has been used only as a parts car here. We need it for another vehicle, but we want to be able to make it run and drive around the yard and the shop so we can move it easily. Okay, that lid is about to come out. Just have to be careful. Okay, now we need to pull the seal with it up. You need to slide the other one towards this side because the hoses are still attached to it. And now we will lift up gently. Okay, and you can see right here we're supposed to have a hose. Okay, we're missing a hose. From this side there, it runs to right here, and it fell off. As a result, it's not going to build any fuel pressure. Okay, and this one is supposed to be a plastic hose, so somebody did mess with those. There is baling wire here as well. Well, good thing we're not reusing that stuff, but we'll be able to make it run now. But we want to demonstrate that it could be only, okay, usually the hoses look like that, plastic hoses, and those crack really easy. You can buy replacement ones, they're not super expensive, but they cost some money. We have the links on our website as well, Mechanic Lifestyle. So we're going to go ahead Okay, install that hose and put a clamp here, that way it's not gonna fall off, and we'll see if it's going to start. Stay with us. Alright guys, we put the hose now, we put clamps on it. Just wanna, we actually put a fuel hose, because this one was not made for fuel, whoever put this one, and it expanded too much, and that's why it comes off. So what we're going to do now, we'll just go ahead and put everything together. Okay, and usually you have to put the seal first in the tank there, and then we need to push the pump on top of it. And stay with us and see if it's going to start, if that fixes the problem. Alright guys, we put it together now. This side is still open because we want to show you what's going to happen now. There is air in the system, so that air needs to come out. Okay, but before it comes out, it's not gonna start the car. Well, it fired pretty quick. Okay, you can see it started leaking fuel here. Okay, let's go again. Okay, you can see fuel coming to the box, to the fuel box, because that thing needs to be full at all times. Okay, and check it out. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, just like that. So no problems, the vehicle starts every time. So if you hear your fuel pump working but you don't get fuel pressure, then you probably need to get the whole assembly with the new hoses. If you're on the road, you can probably do something just to get back, but we recommend just going with new stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.